Well, here we are back in the shop. Starting to rain again. We're able to get a good week's worth of work in, but it comes back to fixing, repairing stuff. But as you can see, that right there, the door latch cracked on me yesterday. It's been giving me a little bit of problems. It's supposed to have like a grate that goes across right here, and I didn't like it. Just too much messing with my visibility. So I had this nifty. Well, what happens is if the door gets, isn't open right, it shuts. It'll put the machine in park. But so I had this thing hooked up right there. My little ratchet strap hold the door on so we can finish the job. But so we're gonna weld something up for this right here, fix that, and then we got these skids. They're bolt-on skids. There's bolts back here, bolts back there. There's 4 bolts in the front here. We're gonna take those off. The skids are almost wore through, and put some metal on the bottom of them. They're replaceable. You can buy new ones, but I don't see any point in that. Just gonna add some metal back to the bottom of them. Oh man. Half-inch ratchet. Oh, here it is. Sattler. Didn't put it back where it goes. Yeah. Oh my goodness! Look at the wrench drawer. Oh my goodness. That's all right, buddy. I'll clean it up. Some people's children. Huh?
That's right, talking to you, Kim and Josh.
Oh, that was loose. Kind of go through it, we check these, make sure everything looks. I've had this hose come off on one of them before. It wasn't taking grease, but who's that? Hey, Levi. But go through and check everything, make sure no sticks or whatever gets jammed up in there. Oh, yeah. That's kind of weird. A little grease right there. I don't know. Huh. Weird. Just got them pulled off here. How many? What is it? Like 700 hours on this thing? On the cutter head, and already somewhere in there. Ow. So you can see it's getting pretty close. This one already wore through right there. Get all that cleaned up. Can't decide if I'm going to wrap it, weld something here, and heat it and try to bend it all the way around. I don't know yet. I'm going to play with it and see what we come up with, but get all that junk cleaned out of there. Another thing we're doing today is get new tires on the hips, and front the steers are about gone, so going to get new tires on that. Gonna get 4 new ones in the back. Yeah, anyways, we'll show you that later. But I don't know if you guys have one of these. I call it a cold cut saw. Low RPM. You can cut wood, steel, you can cut butter, you can cut anything with this thing. Man, instead of the abrasive blades, this is the way to go. Yeah, you heard it. You can cut butter with it. But that thing is the trick right there, let me tell you. Well, so what Willie did, me and Josh went and took the truck, get tires put on it, but he went ahead and welded that on there. As you can see, we're heating it right there and using the excavator to pinch it together and pull it together. See, he already got that side. That's already going to heat this up, get that lowered. Probably have to come back actually a little bit right in there, Willie. Yeah. But he got this thing made up here. I'm gonna cut it off, clean it up and everything. Put her back on the door latch for the machine. Got it somewhat closed up, but we're gonna heat it some more, get a little bit tighter in there. Kind of get the idea. Well, we're getting it. Slowly, but surely. This one, got it curved over. Let's see. Well, I'll have to fill that in and stuff, but it's tight on the end, which matters. It's tight right there. And it's tight on this side for the most part. So we'll get it welded up. Well, Willie got the first one all welded up. Got the end all done here. Looks good. The other one was nipped off right there, but I'm just gonna leave it. It don't matter. Got that end all put together. So, how my other cutter head that I used to have, I think I did it, 3 or 4 times. It was a lot in the lifetime that I had it. But what we ended up doing with it, I took 2-inch pieces and stacked them like that all the way up through there, and it was a ton of welding. Looking back on it, it was quite a bit of work to get those things bent, but I don't know. That's about the same. I'm going to see how this one wears and check it in a couple 100 hours maybe, and then maybe do some, let it kind of clean itself off a little bit, and then get some hardened rod and put it on the bottom there. Help from wearing out so fast. But I'm going to get this one bolted on here. Start getting this side put back together. How's it coming, Willie?
You know, there's a little gap here. I gotta fill that, so that's taking me a minute. But other than that, going good.
He's getting it.
Good hot beads on there, you know.
Oh yeah.
Did
you get it, Willie?
Yeah, got it.
Okay. Well, got it wrapped up. Yeah, if that ends up causing problems, we'll just nip it off with a torch later. But they're on there, bolted down, snug down. Got this one on there, all ready to go. Got the door latch fixed. We should be all ready to go for next week. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. Thank you for all the new subscribers. And guys, anything? Josh, Willie?
Good weekend.
It's the weekend.